Hi guys, this is how to remove your glove compartment. So you have to push it left and then right again until you release this. You can see it's not coming back. Just push it up, push it down, and it just gets off, as you can see over here. Now to replace the air filter, you need to remove this. This is up with a flat screwdriver and open this cover. Now in order to open, you have to push this flat screwdriver, as you can see, between these and pull for this, and you can remove this, get to the air filter, pull it out. Now you need something, so you can use your screwdriver to pull it out. This one's 1 year old, so and there we go. Now this is the 1 year old air filter. As you can see, it's quite dirty and time to trash it. It even has here some things growing on it, so this is going to trash. Now I have a new one. It's not that expensive, but this is a with the coal, active coal. So now you need to watch this direction airflow. Now I believe when I took it out, this way. Okay, now we need to return this part. You have to be careful. So as you can see, this goes there. Now you can see it full, and you push it all three. There, click. Now it's in position, it's locked. And now we need to install back the glove compartment. Now you probably can't see, but this is the trickiest part. You first have to get it behind these. Have to watch for this mechanism. Now could go there and then push this little plastic to grab on. Hooks both sides here and here. And there we go, guys. We got it. It's a pain in the ass, but once you get it first time, it's gonna be easier every other time. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips for Škoda Octavia 3, and see you in the next video.